To make a call, touch the phone key on the launch bar, then select one of the following options to make a call. Call history by touching an entry from the list. Phone book to call an entry from the phone book. Favorites to make a call from your saved favorites. Or keypad to input a phone number manually. To dial an entry in the phone book using voice commands. Push the talk switch on the steering wheel, then say call, and then the name of a phone book entry. To accept an incoming call, touch the answer icon. To reject an incoming call, touch the decline icon. While a call is in progress, you can touch Use Handset to switch the phone call to the handset for privacy, mute to mute or unmute the microphone, keypad to enter digits for services such as voicemail, or hold to place the call on hold. To end a call, touch the hang-up key. Please see your Nissan Connect owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.